Let's destroy the space shuttle program. Check this out.
Anna Fisher. And straight from the college campus, Dale Gardner. That is just a...
Right, this is the satellite release. This is from the space shuttle era, of course, mid-80s. Watch the top of this satellite. There's no antenna there, no aerials, nothing like that. All I want you to do is watch the top of this satellite. The camera's going to pan up, and at a certain point it's going to catch some light, and you're going to see this satellite is hanging on wires. Literally, it's a prop, a model being lifted out of another model. And remember, there's no aerials there now, so there's no excuses for any of you globe believers that need to hang on desperately to stuff like this as somehow proof. Come on, guys. Anyway, check the top of this spinning satellite. No aerials.
Quick scenes of life in orbit. Our first task, of course, was to deploy Telesat. It was a nighttime deploy, and so this is a TV picture, nighttime TV picture of the deploy. It looks more or less like in the day.
You see it? Shocking.
You just can't see it too well. Went smoothly, and really not much else to say about that.
I've got loads to say about that, fella. For one, the satellite was attached to a cable, and if that wasn't bad enough, we had then a spinning doorknob in a dark room. Not much to say about that. Have a word? We'll play it in slow motion. We got loads to say about that. Not much to say about that. No cables, no aerials, no antenna. The spinning pantomime satellite comes up. Looks ridiculous anyway, like most of the old space shuttle era stuff is ridiculous. And as the camera pans up in a minute, we're going to see how ridiculous it is as it exposes itself, the whole space shuttle era. And remember, this thing supposedly built the ISS, so of course it exposes that as well. Get ready for it. A cable fest here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's have it. Oops. It would seem NASA are pulling models out of the back of other models and somehow citing it as proof that demonstrable reality is wrong. Sorry guys, it doesn't cut it. You've just shown us some footage from your old school era, which actually annihilates the space shuttle program and in turn highlights the absurdity of the ISS. The space shuttle supposedly built the ISS. What a mess this space pantomime has got itself into, trying to defend things like the cannonball Earth, which is scientifically impossible. Dear oh dear.